Are you looking for an easy way to elevate your retail business? Join us as we dive into the world of UPC barcodes and see how they can dramatically improve efficiency, accuracy, and growth for your operation. Universal Product Codes, or UPC for short, are a specific type of barcode used primarily in the United States and Canada for tracking trade items in stores. A UPC barcode consists of a unique 12-digit number divided into various sections, with each section representing specific information about the product, such as the manufacturer and the item itself. This 12-digit number is accompanied by a barcode symbol that is scannable by electronic readers as well as scanning software. Using the FabSoft suite of products, we are able to not only easily create automated UPC barcodes, but also automate the reading of these barcodes, enabling the streamlined sale and tracking of products. Using FabSoft SysConnect, our revolutionary form creation and automation software, I am able to easily create a UPC barcode using my product information. I can then edit the barcode to my desired proportions. The most useful part of this feature is that once a SysConnect form is created, every input file that is processed will create unique barcodes for each order and product, enabling very efficient UPC barcode creation. Moving on, we can use our Document Companion program to easily read individual barcodes, which is useful for individual purposes. To automate the reading of barcodes, we turn to FabSoft DeskConnect, which is our premier document processing system. With the click of a button, documents can be seamlessly processed and sent to countless output locations. In this case, DeskConnect grabs the barcode information and puts it in a text file. However, this could easily be configured to output the barcode info into SharePoint, SQL, or Excel, to name just a few options. In conclusion, UPC barcodes have revolutionized the retail industry and beyond by enabling efficient product identification, inventory management, and sales processing. They enhance the speed and accuracy of transactions, contribute to effective supply chain management, and provide valuable data for market analysis. As technology evolves, the use of UPC barcodes continues to expand, which makes having the ability to easily create and read these barcodes crucial for an efficient and well-run business. Therefore, FabSoft's UPC barcode capabilities stand as a significant feature for modern business growth and innovation.